Bad credit can feel like carrying a backpack full of bricks everywhere you go. Every loan, every apartment application, even some job offers, all seem to judge you by that one three-digit number. But here's the truth. Your credit score isn't permanent, and you don't need years to fix it. You can start seeing real improvement within weeks if you take the right steps. And most people don't even know what those steps are. In this video, you're about to learn the smartest, fastest ways to lift your credit score. No gimmicks, no confusing finance talk, just proven moves that work. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your score from a financial barrier into a powerful tool that opens doors. Let's break down how to make your credit work for you, starting today. 1. Pay smarter, not just more. Paying your bills on time is important, but the real secret is how and when you pay. Many people think making one payment before the due date is enough, but your credit report doesn't see it that way. Credit bureaus record your balance when your statement closes, not when you make your payment. So even if you pay your full amount later, a high balance might already be reported, which can pull your score down. Here's a smarter way. Make 2 payments every month. The first payment should be a few days before your statement closing date to reduce your reported balance. The second one should be before your due date to keep your account in good standing. This trick lowers your credit utilization and shows lenders you're managing money responsibly. Think of it like grooming your credit report twice a month instead of once. It stays neat and impressive. Over time, this habit helps your score rise steadily without needing to pay off huge amounts of debt all at once. It's a simple rhythm, smaller, smarter payments made regularly. If you've ever felt like your score never moves no matter how hard you try, this change can make a noticeable difference within a few billing cycles. You're not just paying bills anymore, you're paying strategically. And that's how real progress begins. 2. Lower your credit utilization, even without paying off debt. Credit utilization makes up a big part of your score, and it basically means how much of your available credit you're using. For example, if you have a $1,000 limit and your balance is $500, your utilization is 50%. The lower this number, the better. Lenders prefer to see it below 30%, and under 10% is even better. But here's the good part. You don't have to pay off thousands to improve this number. One easy move is to ask your credit card company for a higher limit. If they increase your limit but you keep your spending the same, your utilization drops instantly. No extra money needed. Another tip, keep your oldest cards open even if you rarely use them. Old cards add to your total available credit, which lowers your overall usage ratio. Just make a small purchase now and then to keep them active. Also, spread your expenses across several cards. Using one card heavily while others sit empty can make your utilization look high on that one account. A little balance on a few cards is much better than maxing out one. These steps send a strong message to lenders. You're using credit wisely, not relying on it too much. It shows control, balance, and stability. You're not just trying to survive debt, you're managing it like a pro. And when credit bureaus see that, your score starts rising faster than you'd expect. 3. Dispute errors. Like your score depends on it because it does. Many people don't realize that their credit report might contain mistakes, and those mistakes can quietly hurt their score. It could be a payment marked as late even though you paid on time, an account that doesn't belong to you, or an incorrect balance that looks higher than it should. Studies show that about 1 in 5 people have at least one error on their report. The fix? Check your credit report regularly. You can get a free copy once a year from annualcreditreport.com. Go through it slowly, line by line. Make sure your name, addresses, accounts, and payment records are all correct. If you see something wrong, don't ignore it. Dispute it right away. You can contact the credit bureau online or by mail and explain what's wrong. Attach proof if you have it, like payment receipts or statements. They usually have 30 days to investigate and respond. When the error gets corrected, your score can rise fast, sometimes by dozens of points. It's one of the quickest ways to see real improvement. Think of your credit report as your financial mirror. If it's dusty or cracked, you can't see the real picture. Cleaning it up gives you clarity and helps you move forward. So take control of it. Review, correct, and protect your record, because every detail matters when your financial reputation is on the line. 4. Become an authorized user. Borrowing good credit the smart way. One of the fastest ways to boost your credit is by using someone else's good history, legally and safely. It's called becoming an authorized user. Here's how it works. A friend or family member with great credit adds you to their credit card account. You get the benefit of their positive payment history and long account age, even if you never touch the card. Let's say your aunt has had a credit card for 10 years, always paid on time, and kept her balance low. When she adds you as an authorized user, that history appears on your credit report. Suddenly, your credit file looks stronger and more mature. But this only works if the primary user handles credit well. If they miss payments or keep high balances, it can hurt your score too. So make sure it's someone responsible and trustworthy. This method is especially helpful for people with thin credit files or those trying to rebuild after past mistakes. It gives your credit report a head start, showing lenders that you're associated with good financial habits. And don't worry, you don't even need to use the card. Just being listed can be enough to give your score a noticeable lift in a short time. It's a simple, safe shortcut that opens new doors and helps you build momentum faster than you might on your own. 5. Build positive history with a credit builder account or secured card. If you're new to credit or trying to recover from past debt, you might feel stuck, like no one will give you a chance. That's where credit builder loans and secured credit cards come in. They're made to help you create a strong record from scratch. A credit builder loan isn't like a regular loan. You don't get the money right away. Instead, the amount you borrow is kept in a locked savings account. You make small monthly payments, and once it's paid off, you get the money, plus a solid track record of on-time payments reported to credit bureaus. A secured card works similarly. You give a deposit like $200 or $300, which becomes your spending limit. You use the card for small purchases, pay them off monthly, and show you can manage credit responsibly. Both tools teach consistency, the key to good credit. You're not borrowing to spend, you're borrowing to prove reliability. After a few months of steady payments, lenders see you as trustworthy, and your score begins to climb. It's like starting over with a clean slate, but this time with the lessons learned. Slowly and surely, you're building a foundation that can support better cards, loans, and rates in the future. Every on-time payment is a step forward, and soon your credit will tell a brand new story. Thank you for watching. Remember, improving your credit score doesn't have to take years. Just smart, consistent steps. Pay smarter, keep your balances low, fix any errors, and use tools that help you build new credit the right way. Each of these small moves adds up, giving you more control and confidence over your financial future. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow and reach more people looking for practical money advice. And don't forget to subscribe for more valuable insights on personal finance, credit building, and smart money habits. We've got some exciting topics coming up next that'll help you take your financial game even further. Stay curious, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next video.